At the foot of the Hochquellen in the Bavarian Alps, connected with nature and the people of the region, this is where it is based, the third largest mineral water brand in Germany, Adelholzener Alpenquellen GmbH.
Ja, hallo, mein Name ist Hans.
Hello, my name is Hans Nedel. I've been working here at Adelholzen for almost 34 years now, exclusively in production. And I've worked in many different areas here. I was a shift supervisor for 20 years, and for the last 3 years I've also been department manager, specifically for the one-way PET area. As part of the Covenant of the Merciful Sisters of St. Vincent de Paul, at Adelholzener Alpenquellen, sustainability and the preservation of creation are truly close to the heart, especially when it comes to technological investments.
Wir haben nachweislich
With the new line, we've demonstrably achieved energy savings compared with the previous installation, particularly in energy consumption of around 22%. We save process water per hour because this is a dry-aseptic line, 6 cubic meters of water of process water per hour, and we're very satisfied with this as well. And Krones was able to meet not only the requirements for lower resource consumption, but also the limited space was used efficiently, and the line was installed alongside the old parallel one-way line. The new line is one of a total of 10 filling lines at Adelholzener Alpenquellen GmbH. State-of-the-art technologies, a wide variety of products and packaging solutions. With the right training, production runs even more smoothly, as they know at Adelholzener.
Wir haben hier in der Anlage 10 die Schulungspaket.
Here at Plant 10, we purchased the training package as well, and that was really very positive. We conducted the training on site at our facility, on the machines that were installed at our site, with the technical departments, with production and highly competent trainers. That was definitely the right approach, and we'll continue to recommend it. One highlight, at first glance rather unremarkable, but at second glance all the more impressive, the shrink tunnel. It was optimized through close cooperation between Adelholzener and Krones. We've set out requirements here in order to achieve greater energy savings. Krones was highly committed and worked with us to develop solutions on how this energy consumer, as I would call it, the shrink tunnel here, could be optimized. And we achieved 25 to 40% energy savings here. The project as a whole deserves very positive feedback, from planning through contract award, commissioning, and now also during filling operations. We've worked extremely well with Krones, and we're always very well supported and worked with highly competent contacts throughout. This enables the company to meet its own standards as well as those of consumers, hygienically flawless beverages. This is supported by state-of-the-art production systems. They help to produce Adelholzener products safely and naturally as possible, so that the pure power of the Alps can continue to have its effect.